Alright guys, we got a 2014 Mercedes CLA250 and we're gonna reset the oil life, oil reminder light on this guy. So we're gonna be using this keypad up and down on OK, and then we're gonna use this the phone button here. When you press this and this together, you have to press this first and then this, and then you hold it down. So first you need to enter the screen here, put the key on accessory. Okay, so we're gonna put the key in. We're gonna reach. How do we want up and down to reach the screen where it reads the mileages here. Then we're gonna hold that button and this together. I mean that one first and this one second, but hold it down, and the screen will change to that. And after that, what are we doing? We're going to. Go ahead. Where did we go? We went to the Aces. What was it?
Alias Plus.
Alias Plus. Okay. Can you go back?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we're gonna. You see, it's red highlighter underneath. It has a line underneath, a red line.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna select that by pressing OK, and then you're gonna go down to full service. Press OK, and then we go to. What is that?
Configure full service.
Okay, there you go. Configure full service. Select the grade that you are resetting. Press OK and press yes. Confirm. Okay, and is it done? Press confirm. Okay, there you go. Done. So it's all set and good to go.